Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get wildcards in Call of Duty Mobile. Wildcards are a fantastic feature that lets you truly personalize your gameplay. They offer unique advantages, like carrying an additional perk or even equipping 2 primary weapons, giving you more strategic options on the battlefield. Mastering their use can give you a significant edge, allowing for diverse and powerful loadouts. For multiplayer, getting wildcards is straightforward. You'll typically receive your first wildcard, perk Greed Red, just by updating the game. To unlock the other 3, you need to play ranked matches. Each ranked game awards you 5 wildcard points, and you'll need 100 points to unlock each subsequent wildcard. Remember to spend your points, as you can only hold 100 at a time, ensuring continuous progress. In Battle Royale, the methods for acquiring wildcards are a bit different. You can find them by opening loot boxes scattered throughout the map or by eliminating enemy players. Another excellent way is to visit merchants marked on your map, where you can trade for desired wildcards. Keep an eye on the later safe zones, as merchants there often offer rarer and more powerful cards, significantly boosting your in-game capabilities. Some popular wildcards include Overkill, letting you carry 2 primary weapons, and perk Greed Red, which adds an extra red perk slot. Bomber replaces your tactical with a lethal, offering more explosive power. Remember to always spend your 100 wildcard points as soon as you earn them, as you cannot accumulate more until you do. This ensures you continuously progress towards unlocking all available wildcards and maximizing your loadout potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.